Today we're making cauliflower rice, and we'll be using 3 heads of cauliflower. So I'll just show you one here and how we're going to clean it and grate it. So I washed this already. Next step is to remove these leaves here. So you're left with just the flour. Also use a knife for this. You can also remove any black parts like that. Okay. Then we're left with just the flour. Next is get yourself a big mixing bowl and a grater. So this is your normal cheese grater. You can use the bigger size grater here, and you can start grating your cauliflower there. Doesn't have to be perfect. So if you're left with bigger bits like this, that's fine. Okay, so I went ahead and I grated 2 heads already. I'm left with the one that I sliced earlier. Okay, after grating, you'll end up with this much cauliflower. So it should look like coarsely grated cheese. Okay, that's fine. Next step is in a preheated pan. Add some olive oil. And I chopped some garlic. So fry your garlic first. Bit more oil. So we're using really high heat, so you can see that the garlic is really browning really quick. Then you can add in your cauliflower. Season with salt and pepper. So saute for a bit, and when you see that your cauliflower is turning to a bit of a brown color, you can start adding some liquid. So just plain water will do. this point, you can lower the heat. You add a bit more water. And then cover. Let it steam for a while. So what this will do is it will help soften the cauliflower. Okay, after steaming for 5 minutes, remove the cover. So you can see that you're still left with some liquid. That's fine. At this point, you can add in some butter to add more flavor. And stir. Okay, once that liquid has completely evaporated, we are ready to switch off the heat. Okay. And your cauli rice is ready.